Hey guys, it's Zoe. Today I'm with Softsoap hand lotion. I'm going to be making slime, but I'm going to add this in. So I'm making a fluffy slime, but slime by itself is stretchy. Then when you add the shaving cream, which turns it fluffy, isn't stretchy anymore. But adding lotion turns it stretchy, and it's gonna make it smell really good. So first I'm gonna add a little bit of glue. You add how much glue, you add the amount of glue of how much slime you want. So I'll only add a little bit. How does this work? So that's about good. So that's how much I want. And then I'm going to add the shaving cream. Actually, no wait, I add the soap. I'm going to do the pink soap. It's so pretty. Okay. Wait, how do I?
So this soft soap is hand wash plus lotion.
How do I? Mom, can you help me? I don't know how to twist it open. Oh. Oh.
Why don't you just dump it out?
Oh, okay.
It's because these like twist up.
Then you only need a little bit of soap. That's probably a good amount. And then you're going to mix it with the glue. And then add the shaving cream. And shaving cream is almost empty. Mix it again. And you could add dye to make it colorful, but I'm just gonna go with the white. And then, oh, I almost forgot. You add a little bit of water. And you don't need the water, but it helps a lot. There you go.
So there's 3 different fragrances from soft soap hand wash plus lotion.
And then detergent.
We have the orchid and coconut milk, the aloe water and lime, and the shea and cocoa butter. Oh wait, those are not the fragrances. Oh yeah, they are. Oh look,
It's coming
the
together.
laundry detergent just turns it right into slime. So this slime is going to smell really good.
And it'll be good for your hands,
And
too.
be really good for your hands, yes.
And see, look. It just turned into a ball. And then you're just gonna slide it off. And you'll kind of like knead it, almost. Look at that. Oh, I wish you could smell it.
What does it smell like?
I could smell a little bit of coconut, but then I still smell a little bit of the shaving cream.
Sticky slime. Sticky slime.
My mom's least favorite.
Oh, it does smell good though.
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go.
Okay, here, put your hands out.
Made slime.
See? This is really nice. And it feels really good on my hands too. And you can use different soap. You can use I used the pink one, but you could use.
But you know what's also really good about it? When you make slime with dye in it, what do you have to do afterwards?
Wash your hands.
So it's really good
Not add dye?
to wash your hands with the soap when you're done making slime.
Oh! I thought you would say not add dye. But thanks for watching. I hope you make this slime and buy some hand wash lotion. You can follow me as Zoe Sees Dirt on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Bye!